When we started Moon, we had no idea what we were getting into. And on the other side of numerous challenges and the associated pain, mostly caused by our own naivete, we're grateful to still be here.
Can you carry it in?
Oh, surprising. I'm impressed.
And along with introducing something new, that's what this video is about.
Oh, wow.
We're going to do like a little unboxing here.
Is this the table?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's here.
Let's
Came a day
go.
early.
Yes.
Be my guest.
Yeah, do the honors.
Hey.
Underneath is like another box. Oh, this goes on to the side of the
Outside.
Whoa! And then does it have to have legs?
No.
No legs.
Whoa!
No, it'll just
It'll
be like
straps.
straps that hold it like this.
That's super cool.
Very
That's really
cool.
sick. Is this from the Amish people?
It is.
Oh.
Very cool.
We'll probably wait. I mean, we'll go in before 9, but like we'll give it a few minutes, basically.
So, because every car door profile is different, this can adjust to any sort of weird shape.
Yeah.
And it's underneath this. So, before we had the bumper up here, and because it's underneath the axis of the hinge,
This is the right size
it's
for
a hell of a
sure.
lot more stable.
Yeah.
What's the purpose of the hinge of these
So
tabs here?
it doesn't fall off. You can't get it apart unless it's completely flat. Or, is that right?
Oh, they're limiting?
Well, I'm hitting this.
Oh, because these leads have to come out or in.
No, it probably got to come out.
Yeah.
Well, let's imagine though. Like, what if this channel went out just a little bit further, and then we capped it with a metal piece, then we tapped it, right? And then that could be your screw, and then a little bumper top on that.
This is a hard plastic end.
That's fine.
Can you do a rubber end?
I actually didn't source them, so I can't.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah. It's more of a foot.
Yeah,
It's a leveler.
Yeah, because it would be it could scratch paint.
yeah, that's scratch.
I think it's like, let's finish this version first, which I think we're there. I think we'll want to make 5 of those.
Okay.
Because we'll essentially send those out to some of our friends and people to get feedback on
There'll
it.
be bumpers down here.
Yeah.
Kind of bump it off the surface
Yeah.
a little bit.
Can I pick it up?
Yeah, please.
You're just trying to play through
No, I'm just so curious. Oh, sorry.
Because this is like pretty stable.
I think
Like,
that's funny.
as long as it's not, we can always weld on another seat channel here
Yeah.
if it needs it.
But like, how much weight would someone put on
like,
there?
I mean, a camping stove and a
Yeah.
cast iron pot.
That's true.
Yeah,
That is a lot of weight. That's true.
Which is, I feel like, a lot of times what people's like
Yeah.
camping setup is.
Yeah. true.
That's a good.
Let's do a mock-up
Interesting.
here.
Boom.
So yeah, we basically like mount right there. Boom, we'd have a table.
Oh, that's nice.
That's cool.
That's super nice.
Yep.
Ooh, right?
Ooh.
2 feet deep sand. You just are like, literally.
No, I feel like everyone just jumps between like Oregon, Arizona, Colorado.
Yeah,
Like those are the big ones.
those are the best ones for sure. I mean, Washington's good.
Washington's great too.
Just don't know if it's
I just-
useful for people.
Yeah. What do you think of a sink? Like, how necessary, if you were to get this table, would you?
I mean, for our setup, it'd be kind of tough, just because like all
You
our
actually-
water's
where our sink is in the inside.
Right.
Hey Evan, can you? I think we eliminated completely.
Forever
Yeah.
pump out there.
Lined up.
Oh, right. I see. Step back.
Yeah.
Move it to your right about 1.5 inches.
Holy shit.
The same setup.
I mean, ours is like, we're not outside, but like our van door is all the way open, so it's like one step away.
Yeah, I mean, basically, living in a van is half outside.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
He's really getting that orbit.
That's so
Full orbit.
Most people don't need a lightweight, vacuum mounted, adaptable, waterproof, strong, packable, customizable, made with the Amish table. But we're not most people. We're the dummies that started a manufactured goods company in an effort to find more balance in our lives. And although we had no clue what we were doing, we've always been doing this in the pursuit of making things we love. And at the center of that
That's pretty cool.
has always been making things we care about, that we're proud of,
Like all of our shades, it does great in all weather.
that we, our friends, and family actually use.
I like the 9x9.
The greatest gift of this pursuit has been finding people who, like us, are pursuing a life fully lived, where you understand that all you can control is the making, and that the best memories and the best moments
Mega shade.
are lived offline, ideally in the middle of nowhere. So if you're looking for more space outside and could use some shade or a surface, like always, we got you covered. If you're looking for more balance in your life, try gardening. Don't show that on camera because I just ripped up a bunch of strawberries.
Ranger pulls in. I was like, hey, just want to let you know there's a bear in the area in Fitzy one in Washington. But it was like, he was like on the road, like way up. Like he wasn't in camp or anything.
Yeah, I've only seen black bears.
Yeah, just black bear.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like we saw them in Yellowstone, but like they were like literally so far away. It was like, oh,
I don't think I saw a bear in Yellowstone.
no. I mean, I've been in Yellowstone so many, like 4 or 5 times, and I've only seen a bear once.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Actually, I did see grizzly. We saw a bunch. There's a famous one, 399 in the Tetons.
That's his name, like Bear 398.
Yeah, her and her 4 cubs at the time.
Oh. Is that it?